And speaking of the products, I know you are here to walk us through as well yung recent launch natin, yung ating limited edition holiday gift set. So, go on, the floor is yours, Jillian.
Okay, so nakikita niyo naman po ang price range.
To all the love and support that you give to us. Thank you so much. I also like to say thank you to Atlas from our trade partner, and also to Leslie family for all the support, and all our KOLs for being here with us. Thank you so much. So later, we're very excited to share with you all the Pretty Pink collections. And I hope
There you have it. Don't worry, may meet and greet pa tayo mamaya. Announcing the winners once again of Miss Jillian Ward. See you later, okay? Meron pa tayong mamaya. But for now,